Here are 9 reasons why your feng shui may not be working. Hi, I'm Veronica Montanola with Life's Simple Pleasures Feng Shui and Chinese Astrology Consultations. The number 1 reason is using the Bagua correctly. When Googling the word Bagua, this is the image I get. This Bagua is simple and easy to use, but it does not follow a compass direction. It is the only chart the American version of Feng Shui uses, and it works wonderfully for interior designers and home stagers, but not for water placement. Number 2, using a compass to assess direction. It can be confusing to know how and where to measure from. The door might not be aligned to the front of the house. It might be a multiple-story unit building, or you might have a beautiful feature behind your home. The question is, how do we measure something correctly when it isn't visible? Number 3, having an accurate floor plan eliminates guesswork. There is no substitute for this. When doing activations, we need to be specific. For example, the best area for water activation for 2018 is between 143.6 and 157.5 degrees. This is a 15-degree area. Without an accurate floor plan, you can activate the wrong area. Number 4, knowing the natal chart of your home. There are hundreds of charts in classical feng shui. Having a compass direction and a date you moved in or the date a building was built lets you find the correct chart. This is a sample chart. Flying Star Feng Shui is a form of classical feng shui. There are 16 charts per 20-year cycle, and that's a total of 320 charts during 9 periods. And period 9 begins in 2024. Number 5, knowing where your stove is in relation to your space. Life does not have to be difficult. Your stove represents health and wealth. If you do a lot of cooking, you need to be facing a favorable area. Is it against the wall? Does it face one of your good directions? Is it in an island in the middle of the room? Number 6, knowing your good directions. Everyone has 4 good directions and 4 negative directions. I use this technique with my clients and myself with excellent results. So align yourself to your best directions for best outcome. Correct desk placement can increase your income by at least 10%. Number 7, maximizing the best spots in your home. There are areas within the home that are worth activating. It all depends on what you need at the time. It is like any other kind of consultation. Using feng shui with a purpose can enhance your relationships or allow for better concentration and business success. These are called Peach Blossom and Intelligent Star. Number 8, following the annual energies. Every year there's a major shift that changes the energy of your space and your astrology. What if your Chinese astrology chart is not optimal this year? Then you should set up your space for the year before the Chinese New Year, which begins around February 4th. Number 9, activating the correct locations. Because feng shui means wind and water, water is one of the most popular activations. But it must follow a certain placement, like the where and the when, the direct and indirect spirit, the individual natal chart of the home, what is called the 4 nobles, and last but not least, the power of a good date. For feng shui to work, the concept of the Cosmic Trinity needs to be engaged. That's heaven, earth, and the human experience. Classical feng shui is a holistic approach that is personalized to your space. Without this approach, there's no connection between the environment and yourself. This is not unique to feng shui. Leonardo da Vinci drew the Vitruvian Men in the 1400s, and he also knew about heaven, earth, and the human connection. For more information, visit my website to download a complimentary guide on the annual energies. Thank you for watching.